How you doing, everybody? Welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. So everybody, if you're a VVS holder and you're looking for big news explosive to the moon, thus far the Twitter hasn't said anything in this 2022, so no problem. We'll go back to the basics at the utility, and thus far that's what I like, guys. By the end of the video, if you guys are beginners, I'm going to show you how you can make money with VVS Finance, with farming and the mines, which is pretty cool. I'm doing mines, so I'm going to also show you how much money I'm making, so that is great. What is VVS Finance, everybody? If you're looking for another way to make money, passive aggressive income, if you're not content with crypto.com giving you about 12% staking, well, VVS Finance gives you more than 100% APY. I mean, the first time I tried it was about 600%, and some of you guys I know even 4 digits, so that is insane, guys. Why do we like it? It's because it's very, very simple DeFi. When you come to the website, the top crystal farm about 200% APR, and the top glitter mine about 278% APR, so that is insane. The VVS token is at its core of VVS Finance. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, guys. Let's continue talking about this beauty. And before we start, as you know, on the Twitter, your getaway to the decentralized finance movement. The reason why I like this one, out of many different yield opportunities, you got Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap, Sunday Swap, and many more swaps. It's because this one is from the Cardano blockchain, alienated and oriented to crypto.com. I like at least a company at that size is involved with this DeFi application. To me, it's a winner. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, before we begin, knowing that the price of Crow, it's also influential for VVS Finance because Crow is the mothership. And if Crow is doing well, which it will, if you're watching, you may be a Crow bullish person. I mean, I know Crow is going to do well eventually in the long term. Definitely that's going to help VVS Finance later on. Now, the first thing that we have to do, start getting involved with VVS Finance, is this. Go ahead for me and on your application on your phone, check if you have the crypto.com app, the blue one and the white one. So the blue one is when you buy your Crow and everything that you want, and the DeFi is when you actually get all excited. Take a look at it like from an angle that on the blue one, you're just an exchange user that you buy and sell, but on the white one, you're actually contributing and collaborating in the blockchain, which is great. That's what I like, the Cronos blockchain. Now, what I'm gonna do is I already signed in on the white one, and here I'm gonna go ahead and start the scanner. Here I'm gonna go ahead and connect my wallet, and out of these three, I don't have MetaMask, I don't still have the crypto.com org chain. I'll do the DeFi wallet, and boom, the only thing I have to do is confirm, connect, and there it is. I'm connected. So now you can see my earnings, you can see more information on my account. Thus far, of course, only buying what I can afford losing. Right now, I'm gonna tell you this, if you're watching, guys, my idea and my goal is to get 10,000 Crow as soon as possible because of this beauty, in my opinion, guys. Before $1 buying it, I think it's totally a huge deal, so I don't want to miss that opportunity. That's why you may not see the amount that you were expecting, maybe because a lot of people have much more money here than me. Now, knowing that, everybody, I have about $50 Crow and $50 about VVS Finance. With that, you can do farming, which is how you start the tokens, the liquidity pool tokens, and start doing the farm, which called the staking, doing it, which is great, providing liquidity. But what I like to do, if you're just beginning, glitter mines, man, I think this is great. Cards full of bling bling, stake VVS Finance and earn more tokens. Definitely what you can do is the following, which is a little bit easier. The first strategy for you is buying your VVS Finance on crypto.com, the blue application, and then sending it to the DeFi wallet. It will put you off a little bit of Crow because you have to pay the fees. Remember, this is not Ethereum. This is not an Ethereum-based blockchain. It's Crow, so you pay on Crow. But if you do the swap, which I'm going to show you here, it might seem a little bit cheaper. Now, on the glitter mines, I started with 500,000 and thus far I have 532,000, which is a gain of about $2 right here because I started my last action on December 17th. So thus far, it may not be that much, but still, I know it's the beginning for me. Definitely, they've been adding more utility tokens, which is great. I mean, knowing that even there's Tonic and there's other ones, Beefy as well. Hopefully, it's pronounced Beefy, B5. But the idea is that when I started, I only saw manual and auto VVS. Now they have two more. That is insane, everybody. I like projects like that that are always kind of trying to add more for the community, and these are gonna grow just from now on. So that is great, right? How do you do it? Well, you start staking your VVS Finance, what you have on your account on the DeFi wallet. In my case, I will have to stake and earn, and that will be incredible. That will be fine because now I have VVS Finance. So if I do, I don't know, 50%, 20%, which is about $10, I just get confirmed, and there it is. I can start stake. I'm not gonna do it right now, but just for demonstration purposes, that's how you do it. Now, another way of earning money here on VVS Finance, right, will be crystal farms. Our harvests are always bountiful. So what you do here is you have to buy liquidity token pairs. In this case, you check whichever APR is kind of like what you like the most, and the stake liquidity so far. You have the multipliers as well that you can go ahead and take a look at, which is pretty cool. Now, thus far, what I'm liking and the one that I actually want is a Crow VVS. So you click here, you go to trade, and then you have to swap. This is the other way of getting VVS Finance. You buy crypto.com and then you swap it for VVS Finance. Let's go ahead and click swap. This is what I did actually. So you pay with Crow right here, and you receive, you can find VVS Finance, and there's the one. Now I have 506,000, which is great, but that's how you do it. And you pay very, very little fees, and that is great. And you can also see, you know, what's going on thus far. It's getting very popular. A lot of people are using it. So don't let you missed that. Thus far, it's starting on December 27. Look at all of this VVS thus far on Crow VVS. So it's pretty cool. Now you go on liquidity, and this is where you start adding your LP liquidity tokens. So you start getting those farming capabilities. So you add liquidity, you select the tokens, Crow in this case. There it is. And then we go ahead and select VVS Finance. Then I enter an amount, for example, I'll do max, and then I click supply. And then you, of course, have your wallet ready to go, because if you're doing it like me with the phone, you have to be confirming or just clicking OK as to continue with the process here on the website, right? You can also do it here on your phone, but I prefer to have it on the website, on the desktop. I think it makes it a little bit much easier for me. And there it is. You start, it will give you just a couple of tokens. There it is. If I do this right now, I'm going to receive 4,600 CRO VVS pool tokens, which is pretty good. And I can confirm the supply, and there it is. So let's try if it works. I confirm, waiting for confirmation, and there it is. You are seeing right now on the screen live. This is it, confirm confirmation, and I click confirm. And then let's see what happens. There it is, transaction submitted. Now I believe I'm gonna have some, I mean, now I have insufficient balance because now I have VVS Finance Crow LP liquidity pool tokens. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do liquidity. Now I have 4,699. I click here, and then I continue with the entire process, and there you go. I now can go to farm and then go to this one that I have already a couple of tokens, and I can start staking the LP. There it is, max, because I have 4,699, and I do current rate $187, which is pretty good. That's nice. I click confirm, and then voila, I have my wallet ready to go. If I need to confirm something on my wallet, it's kind of loading right now, but this is how you do it. One, you have the mines, which you have a little bit more for more VBS, but on this one, the liquidity pool tokens, it's another very popular that a lot of people do. So thus far, isn't this amazing, guys? I'm gonna click X, but now you know how to do it. Thus far, everybody, we like VVS Finance because of its potential. You know, a lot of people are looking to buying it right now, and as it explodes later on in the year, well, you're gonna make a lot of money. You can just do it some ways of just buying it. You can stake it on the crypto.com Blue application, but it's gonna give you a super poor low, you know, APY, or just hold it and expect for that explosion, or like me, contributing with the blockchain and with the liquidity pools, because that is exactly what yield farming is all about. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. This is VVS Finance, how to do it, how to make money here on the platform. Thus far, pretty bullish. How about you guys? Thank you so very much for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.